Hey everyone, I wanted to create a quick video to walk you through how to create a thumbnail for your videos that you are sharing on YouTube. And I am in Canva. You can create a free account. I'm on my desktop, but you can also do this from your phone. I like working on both, but for the purpose of this video, I'm using my desktop. And the type of computer that I have is a Surface Pro, but you can use this on a Mac as well. And when you're in Canva, you are going to come over here to the plus sign that says create a design, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to see up here at the top this toolbar, and you're going to click on thumbnail. And you can create you can create in the free version. There is also what's called Pro. So anytime you see this little crown with the pro next to it, it's a paid version. So you can scroll through and look at all of these templates that are free because they don't have the pro next to it. And I like the ones that have the color, like either a color or a circle or a shape next to it, like something like this one. Um, because I like to be able to put a title for my video and some description, some descriptive words that are eye-catching and that the algorithm in YouTube will pick up. And so I'm going to walk you through a couple of tips that I've learned when creating a thumbnail for my video for YouTube. So first, we're going to work on the thumbnail, and then I'll talk to you about the actual post and some keywords and phrases and even hashtags that you can use. So I'm going to just keep scrolling until I find what I am looking for there. As you can see, there are thousands of templates to use. You know what? This one's kind of cute. I haven't used this one before. I love it because it's got like this creative kind of splatter. So here's the picture. I'm going to edit all of this on here, but I first want to change the picture. And so you can come right over here and click this box. Do you see the purple box that's around it? You're going to now come over here and we're going to go to upload. And I'm going to upload a file and I'm going to upload a picture. And so now it's looking at all of the pictures that I have put in my folder on my computer. I have a Stampin' Up folder and I've named pretty much all of the different products that I've created videos for and or workshops for. So the latest one that I've done is the paper pumpkin. I did a good, better, and best. So let's actually go in here and I'm going to create a thumbnail. And I'm going to take this picture right here that I've used. And now I've put it into my uploaded files and I'm going to click on this. And what I first want to do is I actually want to get rid of the picture that's behind there. And I want to put this one in that space. And so you can enlarge it to fit in here. And now I want to send it to the back because it's a layer. So I want to send it backward. And do you see how that tucks it behind this creative element? And let me just kind of, let's see if we can bring this forward. It's a layer and you can bring it to the front or you can bring it forward. So now let me see if I can, nope, that's still not going to do it. Let's see, we're going to have to bring it to the front, I believe. Bring it to the front. There we go. And of course, it got rid of all of those letters and words. So let's do this. You're learning, send it backward. There we go. And now let's send it to the back. And I'll bring it forward in just a minute. So I don't want this splatter, so I'm going to delete that. I really don't like these fonts, but that's okay. and I'm going to delete all of this too because I don't like that. And I want to change the color of this. So you can click on the color right here. You can click a branded kit, or I want to actually take one of the colors from here and I want to use that. I really like that a lot. So we're going to use that. This watch now, I actually want to change the color of this font. So let me see if it will allow me to change the color. Ah, up here. And I can go and I want it to be white. And I like that little arrow. And I want that to also be white. And then this, I want to say good, better, and best. And I want that to also be white. Whoops. There we go. And then I'm going to call this paper pumpkin. We're going to change the size of this. You can either grab it and drag it like that and get it lined up. And now I'm going to grab this box and I want to move it up here. And I'm going to call this December 2024. And I really don't like this font at all. So you can actually come up here and change them, and it will give you ideas of what different fonts look like. Apricots is one of my favorite because it's very whimsical and it reminds me of like a scrapbooking font. And you can change the size up here. And I'm going to put this up here, and it looks like my P in paper did not get capitalized, so I'm going to change that. And there is that. And then I want to bring this back over here. And let's put a comma next to good. And now let's bring that layer to the front. Let's see if we can bring this layer to the front. And I think I want to say bring it forward. I don't know why it's not working. There we go. Okay. So let's bring all of this layer, bring it to the front, bring it to the front, bring it to the front. Let's see. Yep, we just got to bring this layer to the front. It's all I don't know why this is not going forward. Let's see. Maybe it's this. It's not giving me show the layers. Huh. Anyway, you know what? This is fine for what I'm trying to show you. You can always click this and duplicate it and then come down here and you can say, what did they say under here? Watch now. And then you can always add these really fun elements, and you can type up in here an arrow, and you can see all of these different little arrows. Well, let's take this one because it's, whoops. Oh, here he is. Let's shrink him down and change the color to white. And let's shrink him down a little bit more. And there you go. And you can even move this piece closer, farther together, farther apart. You can make this bigger. I mean, you can just play around with it however you want. This is just giving you some ideas of what you can do. And then once you're happy with this, you're going to come over here where it says share, and you are going to download it. And I always suggest doing either a PNG or a JPEG for your videos. And it's going to save my work now. It's going to put it now on my computer, and I'm going to double click on it to open it up. And here it is down here at the bottom. It's loading. It's loading. Just going to take a second. Give it a second. And now I'm going to save it to my computer. If it's going to load. Let's try and open it up again. There we go. And now I'm going to right click and save as. And I am going to put it back into my folder for Paper Pumpkin. And you can also click on, I'm just going to do the save now. Okay, so now that that is saved, I am going to go to YouTube, and I have lots opened up on my YouTube channel, but I'm going to go under Managing Videos. And for the sake of argument, I'm just going to pick my latest one. This is not the one that I just did, but I want to walk you through where you can change the thumbnail on your videos. So you want to make sure that you are under Manage on your dashboard. You're going to click on the video that you want to edit, and you're going to scroll down here. And do you see where it says thumbnail? You can click on this, go to, whoa. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Never mind. There's a place where you can change your thumbnails. I think I need to be under my dashboard. Here we go. Nope, not my dashboard. Go back to my channel. Can you tell I haven't done this in a while? Okay, here are my videos. I'm going to click on this one. I should be able to change the thumbnail. Here we go. That's what it is. Change. And that's where I can go in here and I can click this one, and it's going to upload it. And if I want to save the changes, I can click on Save Now. But because it's going to change it, I'm not going to. So I'm going to just click out of here and go back. And it should, let's just do undo changes. Somehow my connection is not working the greatest. It almost looks like it froze. Oh, here we go. That's why, because my sharing my screen is in the way. I want to discard changes. Yes. So click OK. And it's not going to change anything, but that's where you're going to change it. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention is whatever you say in your thumbnail, you want to say that right here in your title, because the algorithm with YouTube is going to actually look at both of these. It's going to look at your thumbnail and it's going to look at your title. And then you also want to repeat what you're saying on all of these areas in the description of your video. And do you see how I also have hashtags? You can use a maximum of 3 hashtags for searching. And this is really helpful to get your video out there in searching, which is, they call it search engine optimization, SEO. So those are just some little tidbits that I wanted to share with you, but I think this will help you get started creating a thumbnail and getting your YouTube channel off to a great start. So I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions at all about creating a thumbnail using Canva, please drop it in the comments down below and I will be happy to answer them. Have a great day, everyone.